Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kate Anwar. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving you guys a really quick hair update and let you guys know my plans. I am officially 8 months, or about 8.5 months now, post Big Chop. Literally 8.5 months ago, I was completely bald. And now I have so much hair. Like, I feel like, I know it's still short, but I feel like I've just got so much hair compared to where I was. Quick disclaimer, my voice is kind of gone. I was away last week singing so much and it's not quite come back yet. Another disclaimer, I've been growing out my nails and they've been growing out really well, but this one broke, if you can see compared to the others. This one broke and this one broke. So if you see my nails looking all ratchet,
don't worry about that.
If you're new to my channel, don't go any further without hitting that subscribe button below. Join the Anwar family. I'd be really happy if you did subscribe, and hello to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know how you guys are all doing in the comment section below. But yes, let me get straight into the video. So as I said, I'm 8.5 months post Big Chop and I am absolutely loving my hair. I've got to the point now where I'm just like, what was I doing for all those years? Like, I wish I went natural so many years ago, but it's okay. This is my journey. I feel like, even though I wish I did it sooner, I feel like the time that I did Big Chop was just perfect for me. I did it on impulse, but it just really worked out. It's like, I was ready. I'm not suffering. I'm not regretting anything. I'm just loving the journey. I'm loving my hair. I'm loving each and every stage of the process. I will be doing a 1 year hair journey video in like, what, 3 months? Okay, 3 months will go kind of fast. So on my 1 year journey, I'll show you guys a proper photo progression video, just showing you guys how much my hair has grown, the different stages and all of that. This is a braid out. Now this is my first braid out using Eco Styling Gel. I just wanted something to kind of make the curls a bit more defined, so I did plan to go and get a styling custard or gel. I was kind of looking online at different ones that people have been raving about and recommend, but then I was like, well, I've got a huge tub of Eco Styling Gel in my cupboard downstairs. Let me just try that and see if it works, you know, make use of what I have first. And I really love the results. I've not had it come out, I'll show you guys up close, this defined before. And my hair was in about 5 or 6 cane rows, and I just took them down this morning. And I'm so pleased with how it came out. I think I'm definitely going to be using this more often. So I used my aloe vera juice, then I used the TGIN Daily Hair Butter, and then I used the Eco Styling Gel. I'm mostly focused on the ends with the gel just because I like to pick out the bottom, and it's really just the ends that need to be defined. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the results. This is my first puff on camera, guys, so tell me what you guys think of my puff. I can kind of do a puff now. It's not that up at the back, it could be higher at the back to be more puffy, but yeah. And this is just a strip of cloth like that I use for my head wraps, so I cut a strip just to have as a nice cute band for my puffs. In the next 3 months, I'm just thinking I want to really go crazy with my hair care, the TLC. I'm thinking of trying the inversion method for the next 3 months. I just want to see how much growth I can really get in the last push to becoming 1 year post my Big Chop. I just want it to be like, yeah, my hair grew. I feel really handsy today. I'm sorry if I'm like being irritating. I want to get back into oiling my scalp. I've kind of slacked off of that, and I can see that my edges aren't really growing, but they're so sensitive. I can see that they're not as thick and bountiful as they were before when I was really keeping up with the oiling of my scalp and edges. They're just so sensitive, so I need to get back into that. I did oil my edges this morning before applying a little bit of edge tamer, just to, because I wanted to kind of slick it a bit, but I just wanted to put the oil in just to make sure it really stays moisturized and doesn't dry out. So I did use that. But yeah, as a whole, I'm just happy with how my hair's getting on. It's really growing and it's getting quite thick as well. Oh, I just overstretched that. Yeah, and it's getting really thick as well. I definitely will not be flat ironing my hair for my 1 year anniversary. I haven't come to a decision if I'm going to be using heat on my hair at all anyway in my journey. Possibly a blowout eventually, but I don't even think it's got to the length where it's like I would wear it, and I just think it would be, yeah, pointless, and I really don't want to damage my hair at all. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so about nearly 2 months ago I dyed my hair black, and I completely forgot to tell you guys that I dyed it black. I don't even know if you guys can tell on camera, and the colour's probably washed out a little bit now, but I actually dyed it jet black, and I don't know how it slipped my mind. I think I didn't upload, and then I did my hair products video. I was meant to mention it in that video, and since then I just completely forgot. So I did dye my hair black. I think it was jet black, and it came out so good. Like, I've had no problems. My hair didn't get dry, my hair didn't break. I was really kind of worrying. I was looking for the henna and indigo to do like a natural hair dye method, but I couldn't find it, and I thought, you know what, the colour of my hair is really irritating me. It's kind of like a dusty brown colour, and I really wasn't feeling it, and my hair would look dry when it really wasn't. Since dyeing my hair black, like I said, I've not experienced any issues, and my hair just looks as moisturised as it is, which I really like. I'm just so thankful for that. So I will be keeping up with that. I don't know how often I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Like I said, it's been almost 2 months, and I don't see me doing it anytime soon. But yeah, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. As I did say before, please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your notifications, because YouTube is a bit mad sometimes and you may miss my uploads. So make sure you definitely hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and stay blessed.